Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting thing, but it's a very common thing. All of you you do this thing in your kitchen, and sometimes you stuck in a problem. So today I am here to discuss this issue. Before going to the main topic, please subscribe my channel. Your subscription is very much necessary for the growth of my channel. So here two lids are here, similar outer lid pressure cooker. You don't know, these are the two whistles of the pressure cooker. So you forgot the which whistle goes to which lid, but both the whistle are compatible to both the lid. But actually this is the whistle of this company and this is the whistle of this company, but you forgot. Then what happened, you just mistakenly just put that whistle on that and put that whistle on that mistakenly, and the cooker whistles. But you find that the cooking is not very good, as because you used to normally cook for 5 to 6 whistle for some particular food, but you are getting that after giving 5 to 6 whistles the food is not getting prepared properly. So then you just blame the pressure cooker company, or you blame that maybe the cooker is not working perfectly. But the reason is you have exchanged the whistle. So why the exchanging whistle of different company pressure cooker can create some problem. One problem is your cooking your cooking will not be proper. It will take time, or it may create some damage to pressure cooker also. Damage means if the safety valve is fitted with the pressure cooker properly, then the safety valve will got blast very early. So why I am coming, okay? So why I am saying that, I am giving the reason. So these are the two whistles. So you have just exchanged the whistles and you are not getting the proper result. So I am here with this weighing machine, okay? So let's see. So I am tearing the machine, okay? Tear. So first, this whistle, this is the pigeon. This whistle goes to, actually this is this whistle, okay? So this whistle weight of this whistle 71 gram, okay? So pigeon whistle is actually 71 gram, okay? And this is the butterfly whistle. So this is 65 gram, okay? So butterfly whistle is 65 gram. So the butterfly whistle with 65 gram, it works perfectly with the required pressure in this pressure cooker, and pigeon whistle with 71 gram works perfectly with pigeon pressure cooker and with required pressure. So when you exchange the whistle, this whistle is heavier and this whistle is lighter as compared to that whistle, okay? So if you exchange this heavier whistle to this one, so in this case the built up pressure is much more, though it will cook properly, or maybe the difference is only 5 gram, but this 5 to 6 gram difference matters. Believe me, this 5 to 6 gram more weight in the pressure cooker whistle weight, it matters. And this whistle is calibrated to work on this kind of vent tube. The whistle and this vent tube is compatible, okay? And this whistle and this vent tube is compatible. So when you mistakenly exchange the whistle, so the compatibility hampers, and here it creates much pressure, and maybe the cooker cooks properly or much faster, but the safety valve damage chance or safety valve fuse rate is much higher, okay? And in this case, this is the lighter whistle actually, and this is not compatible with that. This lighter whistle will create less pressure. The minimum required pressure for this cooking is 1 kg per square centimeter, but this whistle, mistakenly you have inserted this whistle, and it is creating less than 1 kg per square centimeter pressure. For that reason, what is happening, the minimum required pressure for cooking is not generated, and the cooking process is slowed down. So this is the reason you should not change the whistle of the pressure cooker. So before, if you have more than 2 to 3 or 4 whistles or pressure cooker, then you just check that here the pigeon, the picture of pigeon is written, and this is the pigeon company. So this is actually that whistle, and here it is written butterfly. Yeah, here it is written butterfly. Here you can see that butterfly, it is embedded butterfly. Okay, so this goes to that butterfly. So so you have to much more cautious and be careful when placing the whistle to the pressure cooker. You should place the proper whistle to the proper pressure cooker, otherwise it can affect the pressure cooker functioning. Okay, so this is for just of your concern, and I am showing another interesting result. So here I am showing the lid of 2 pressure cooker, both are 1.5 liters. Okay, and both whistles are compatible to the both pressure cooker. So this whistle is compatible to that whistle is compatible to this. So suppose here you have 2 whistles, or you are going to cook on this pressure cooker, and you have at this moment this whistle. So you are not finding it out. So you have this option. So you are inserting that whistle, so and cooking, and you are not getting the proper result. This is one case. And when suppose you are cooking in that pressure cooker and you are not getting that whistle, maybe it is you cannot find it out at that moment. So you have that whistle from this pressure cooker. So you have just take it out, and you have inserted that whistle on that pressure cooker. The cooker works well, whistle, but at a certain time the cooker, the safety valve fuses. So why the safety valve fuses? So here is the reason I am showing again. Okay, so just see, this is the weighing machine. So I am starting the weighing machine, tearing it. So this is the Hawkins whistle. It should go to the Hawkins pressure cooker, and this is the another company, Century, a local good company of Kolkata. This should go to that pressure cooker, but accidentally you have exchanged that whistle. So what is happening? You just see. So the Century, this whistle actually weighs 72 grams. Okay, so 72 grams, and this Hawkins whistle actually weighs 79 grams. So the 78 or 79 grams, actually it should be actually 80 grams. Yeah, it is actually 80 grams. So this is 72 grams, and this Hawkins whistle is weight for 80 grams. So the difference is 8 gram difference. Okay, so when this 8 gram more whistle is here, more pressure will be generated, and that can cause maybe the cooking is faster, but cause the early release of the safety valve or fusing of the safety valve as the pressure is more. And this is 8 gram less whistle. So when you have inserted it here unknowingly, because you are not getting that whistle, so that is creating less pressure, and you are cooking and you are not getting the desired result. For that reason, when you are going to insert the whistle, check the company first. In case of Hawkins, the Hawkins logo is here, and in case of Century, the logo is here. 1 minute. Yeah, this is here, you can see that. Yeah, this is the Century logo. Here you can see that. Okay, Century logo. Here Century is written. So you just read out the pressure cooker company, and in the whistle, the pressure cooker company is properly written in the whistle, and then place the whistle to the particular company of the pressure cooker. Okay, You should do this thing. And another instances I am going to show. Interestingly, one day one thing happened with me in my family, that we need this pressure cookers, but we are not getting this whistle. Maybe the whistle is misplaced somewhere, so we are in hurry, so we got this whistle and we just inserted that whistle, the cooker whistle and whistles, and then we have found that the cooker is not going to perform properly, as because maybe the cooker is whistling, cooking is running, but cooker is not the cooking process is not faster. So then the reason came that this whistles is 66 gram, and the actual whistle of this pressure cooker is actually, here you can see that this should 80 grams. 1 minute. Near about 80 grams, and this is 66 grams, so 14 gram difference. So the 14 gram difference, so you are cooking this on this pressure cooker with 14 gram less weight, so that will generate obviously the less pressure and the cooker is not performing well. So be sure when you are going to cooking on a pressure cooker, and you have many pressure cookers, and the whistles are detached from the pressure cooker, please check the whistle, as because this is the TTK is written in this whistle, so it is Prestige pressure cooker whistle, and this is Hawkins. So just check the lid where the cooker company is written and check the whistle where the cooker company is written, then fit the compatible whistle with that particular pressure cooker. It will be good for your cooking. So I am going to finish this issue here, and again I will come back with another issue. Take care, bye, thank you.